Excellency, on behalf of all of us, I want to thank you for finding us worthy to handle this difficult but surmountable task of keeping Port Harcourt clean. When I see the caliber of people you assembled, all of us are happy and are sure that with our years of experience in our fields and in politics and interaction with people, and the zeal will come to this job, that we are assuring that we will do our best to ensure that your program of restoring Port Harcourt to its lost glory is achieved with your support. Thank you, Excellency.
Ladies and gentlemen, one of our major problems, not just in Rivers State, globally now, is issue of waste management. And over the years, we'll be managing this issue in the state. We've done our best. Previous administration have also dared in some areas where possible for them. Today and here, we're putting a team together to look at these challenges differently and not let it not be the regular, by the end of the month you come and collect money from me. You appoint your friends as sweepers, as evacuators of debt. You start building hotels, start buying big cars. Let us go beyond that and see, or will I say, tap into the potentials of waste management. It's an area in this world that there is so much money in it. It's an area that it creates employment. We brought you together. Some of you here, when you were caretaker members, you won an award as keeping your areas very clean. We want you to replicate it in a bigger scale. We have brought some of you here who has also made names in some places where you found yourself before. Come together and let's see what we can do to bring back the beauty of Port Harcourt. It used to be called Garden City. If not our effort today, some people can even change it to Garbage City. But God forbid, it's not going to be in our own time. I want you to understand that I feel very unhappy when we're driving into Port Harcourt, and one of the first things that will welcome you is the waste dump that you see along the Obrikwere Road. I don't feel happy about it. Your first task should be to relocate where those wastes are being dumped. That particular place needs to be completely closed because it's the entrance of to the city. You can imagine the kind of smell. Very hot and cohesive. So please, as you start your assignments, the first thing you need to do is for us to get a new place where we can relocate our waste. Be more responsible. Let people see that you're working rather than eating the resources that would be deployed to this agency. It's important to me. And let me say it here, I don't need an assembly to screen you. As soon as I notice anything that day, you're gone. You can imagine how many years we've been running with sole administrator. But today I want us to have a proper team. that is, this team is cut across all the senatorial districts. It's not just one senatorial district. So that whatever you're going to do there will spread. While you're also carrying out this job, let it be known to the world that the interest of everybody in the state is accommodated. Yes, I know what I'm saying. It shouldn't be just one-sided. Make sure that all those are supporters who have the capacity to do little job in the refuse area, accommodate them. I have no doubt that you are going to impress us. So I charge you to do all you can to make sure that the face of Port Harcourt changes when it comes to the issue of refuse. Look, even in the flyovers, if you go, you see by the side, grasses are growing. I know that there's one in, if you're going to Woji, that bridge within Slaughter is an eyesore. You can see how, what will it cost you to clean up? It's not just sweeping the sand to one side. They need to clear it up so that it won't be a breeding ground for grasses. This cleanup I want people to do is to clean up Port Harcourt everywhere. On these issues of polythene bags, you know, it's one serious issue that we also have. Make sure that you have a team that will be picking them on the road. You pass everywhere, you see them littered everywhere. Please, you have a big job to do. Let me, on behalf of the government and my team, officially inaugurate you this afternoon, charge you to go and be another ambassador, people that will change the face of refuse management and bring beauty to our dear state. I wish you all the best as you carry out this noble assignment. You're hereby inaugurated to the glory of God.